What's up, my fellow game developers, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So today we're going to take a look at how to export our level, where to find it, how to get it to start up as a default map, things like that. This system is still pretty proprietary from like the CryEngine days. We definitely, I'm hoping that we get a more robust system akin to say what Unity has, or definitely what Unreal has with this project launcher. But as it stands now, we're going to look at how we can do it currently if we were releasing the game today or exporting our levels out today. Alright, so let's get right into that video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I have a level here. So the first thing I want to do is actually go to Game, and I want to export to Engine. And you're going to see that I have exported the map, and it's going to give me a successful pop-up. Then what you're going to do is go to your dev folder, go to your project folder that you're working out of, go to the bin folder that you're working out of, whether it's 140 or 141, and then we're going to scroll down to your game projects launcher. So mine is called Project Metal Launcher. I'm going to open that up. And once it loads, take a little while to load for the first time, we're going to get a blank map. It's going to be pitch black. Now you can load, since this is a development build, it's not a release build, you can reload the map via the tilde key with your map space map name. But we want it to load automatically from jump. So first things first, we need to go to our project folder where we have our game files. You're going to see one called game.cfg. We're going to duplicate that. Once you do that, you want to rename it to autoexec, which is autoexecute.cfg. Then we're going to open that up in any text editor that you want. We're going to delete what's in there. The only thing that we're going to put in there is map dash and the map that you want to load first. Now we're going to export to Engine again, and then we're going to load that same launcher that's inside the bin, and in my case VC141, which is basically Visual Studio 2017. So as you see here, it loads the map, but there's a problem. I don't have a game camera, so let's fix that. So I'm going to create a new entity. I'm just going to add a camera component, and I'm going to place it where I need it to visually represent the level. So in this case, I'm just going to put it in front of the spawner entity so it can show those entities spawn. So I'm going to export to Engine again and repeat the same process. We're going to go to the dev folder, and we're going to open up the project launcher, or project metal launcher rather, so we can get a view of where our map sits when it loads up. And there you have it. So now our map loads up with the camera that we set up in the game. Our entity spawn, and it loads automatically. So very simple. This is how you guys would do it for your levels. This is also how you would test going level to level, because at the moment we cannot do that inside of the engine. We can't create two levels and then create a connection to those levels in the editor and try to test it that way. We have to export those levels and then, you know, make sure that we put it in that way, which we'll actually do in a future video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Join Discord if you guys have any particular questions you want me to answer, or if you guys just want to hang out, talk about games, game development, and all that good stuff. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.